Transit yards and bus depots are busy places. Typically, they are large areas and may include facilities both indoors and outside. Every day, the depot management team must ensure that buses are scheduled correctly, arriving and departing as planned. In order to ensure customer comfort and safety, a routine cleaning and maintenance program must also be scheduled and maintained. During working hours, buses will regularly arrive and depart from the depot. In order to ensure each route is covered according to the timetable, the arrival and departure times must be monitored and maintained, alerting key personnel to possible timetable deviation. During the hours of reduced services, more vehicles will be returned to and parked in the depot or yard. The precise location and positioning of each vehicle is critical to ensuring that they can be dispatched according to schedule and in the right order. They must all be parked in the order they will leave the depot. If the buses are parked in the wrong order or the wrong place, this may result in a complex shunting process, delays or unsuitable buses being used for a particular route. Keeping track of a dynamic fleet of buses within a large indoor or outdoor space is a challenge. This was recognized by the management at the Verkehrsbetriebe Luzern VBL bus depot in Switzerland, where a Ubisense real-time location system, or RTLS, has been installed in conjunction with the web-based Swiss Axis AG Betriebs depot management system. Information from the RTLS system provides real-time data for the Swiss Axis AG Betriebs system. The depot management team can use this information to schedule drivers, monitor driving times, and populate the finance system. The real-time bus location system uses the Ubisense RTLS to help achieve operational efficiency for dispatching VBL's fleet of more than 150 buses. The system is deployed internally across a 12,000 square meter garage. The Ubisense sensor network, with its sub-meter accuracy, provides location information, allowing buses to be located in their correct lanes and parking spaces, both indoors and outside. The sensor network also alerts the Betriebs depot management system to buses arriving and leaving the bus depot. The solution forms the central part of a scheduling application for workflow optimization. Management of the workflow of buses within the depot is critical to ensuring efficient scheduling, timely cleaning, maintenance and reliable dispatch. A real-time location, ultra-wideband radio system transmitter, known as a Ubisense tag, is attached to each bus. The tag emits small signals which are picked up by the network of Ubisense sensors located around the depot. The real-time location information is displayed within the Yard Management Solution online interface, enabling the dispatchers to schedule and process manage the depot efficiently. The Swiss Axis AG Betriebs depot management system, in conjunction with the Ubisense RTLS system, has provided the perfect solution for the mid-size bus depot at VBL. Dr. Altdorfer, Managing Director of Swiss Axis AG, feels that Betriebs depot and Ubisense RTLS have created an efficient, cost-effective, robust system for the VBL bus depot, completely answering the client's original brief. Betriebs utilizes Ubisense RTLS in order to provide the first completely web-based depot management system which can fulfill the daily requirements of bus depots such as VBL. Mr. Zumsteg of VBL has confirmed that the solution implemented by Swiss Axis AG and Ubisense has provided an easy-to-use management system, enabling complete 24/7 visibility of the buses across the depot and making significant efficiency improvements.